In this video, we're going to be covering text and email templates, as well as reputation management so that you can build up your reviews on Google and even Facebook. But not only that, you can actually respond to the reviews inside of our system, which will ultimately boost your SEO and your Google ranking. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to make text and email templates. So let's head down here to the Marketing tab, where we will now click the Templates button. And then we can go over to Add Template, and let's start with a texting template. So why exactly would we need texting templates? Well, as any business owner might know, when you have customers coming in and asking questions about your industry, you most likely have to respond with very similar answers to a lot of people. Well, it might be nice to have a template that's already done and you can just click a button and send the answer. Or maybe it's a follow-up and you want to send that follow-up text as well. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now. And here's an example of a text message templated follow-up that we might do for a real estate agent. So as you can see, the lead may have responded to our automation that we set up beforehand, and now you need to text this person back. So instead of having to type this in every time, you can easily just press one button and it will automatically send straight to the contact. And of course, you can change this to whatever you want. But for this instance, we said something like, "Hi," and then we put in the contact name through the custom values. "This is Bill Johnson with the real estate group. I received notice that you were interested in property. Please let me know if you have any questions or would like to view a property. Thank you." And you can even add your phone number and email below that, as well as attach a file. So if you have a photo of yourself or a business card that you'd like to attach, you can have that done automatically as well. Text message and email templates are huge for time management, especially when you're connecting the system to your ads. Because if you're running marketing ads and you're getting a lot of responses through the text message follow-up system, then you need to respond to those people. And when you have a templated response, it just makes life that much easier. So I highly recommend using text templates and email templates to save you a ton of time. But let's test it out real quick. So now we're in the Conversations tab and we will be testing out if the template actually works. So let's head all the way down to the bottom here and we're going to click Use a Template. And you'll notice when we click on our templates, we can see the template that we just created for the real estate follow-up. So we'll click on that, we'll use the template, and it automatically fills in all the information. Now you'll notice it still says contact first name, but watch what happens after we send it. As you can see, it automatically put in John because that's the contact's first name. And you can of course do this exact same thing for emails. And the template icon is also on the mobile app, and we will be discussing that as well in a future video, so that you don't have to be on your laptop to send out all of these texts and templates. You can do it from your phone as well. But now I want to take you to the Reputation Management tab, which is down here and to the left, where once you connect your Google My Business, you can actually manage all of your reviews, because you already know how important reviews are, especially when ranking on Google. If you want to be the first company that comes up for your industry in your local town on Google, then you better have the most reviews and the best reviews. And not only that, you need to be responding to your reviews because Google sees that you're responding to them and they appreciate you using their platform, and therefore they're going to rank you higher. So let me show you exactly how to do that. So before we can send out our review requests, we'll need to head over to the Settings tab, where we will then head over to Reputation Management. And you can see here, if you've connected your Google My Business, you can easily generate a Google link, which when pressed will take the customer straight to the Google review page for your business. And not only that, you can customize the message as well. And there you go, a custom message sent every time you send a review request that says, "We would appreciate it if you could leave us a quick review. Thank you." So simple, so easy, and it's going to skyrocket your reviews. You can also scroll down here and see the email templates. And not only that, you can scroll down even more and see a complete review widget display, which means if you have multiple reviews on your Google My Business and you want to display those reviews on your website, you can copy the code here, add it to your already existing website, or easily add it to the websites that we can make you, which will then boost your credibility and increase conversions. Now there are multiple ways of sending out a review request. So if we head on back out of settings, you can clearly see that we have a send review request button right here. And if you click on it, you can easily put in the customer's name or phone number or email and send them a request. But this is not the only way to send a review request. You can also go to the Quick Actions button, this little green lightning bolt, click on this, and send a review request right here. But this also isn't the only way to send a review request. I'm about to show you one of my favorite ways to send a review request. But for this, we'll have to head back into the text templates page. So go to Marketing, go over to Templates, and let's add another text template. And for this one, we're going to say review request. And then all we're going to do is add our message. And I typed in, "Hey, contact first name. We would appreciate it if you could leave us a quick review. Just use the link below." And then of course, when we have our Google review link, we would paste it right below this. and you can easily go to that template icon that we just talked about earlier and send a review request in seconds. That's customizable to the customer's name as well. So let's save this, and now we have the easiest way to ask for a review, and we can start building up those reviews and ranking way higher on Google. But before I leave, we also have the social planner where you can actually post on Facebook, Google, and Instagram all at the same time. Now we understand there's a ton of features in this software, and that's why I always want you to remember that we can help you with everything, make sure it's all set up and all running, and provide the best service that any software program has ever provided you, and make sure your business is up to date on all things tech. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.